गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
मैं समृद्धि प्रकाश CSDAV पब्लिक स्कूल मोतिहारी में कक्षा 5वीं की छात्रा सभी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। ये गीत मेरे सभी शिक्षकों को समर्पित है। गुरुजी है तो क्या गम है, सारी दुनिया लगे कम है। आप गुरुवर हैं मेरे भगवान। आप गुरुवर हैं मेरे भगवान। दीपक आप, रोशनी भी आप ही है मेरे अरमान। आप गुरुवर हैं मेरे भगवान। आप गुरुवर हैं मेरे भगवान। अज्ञान का जब अंधेरा हो तो सूरज भी है आप। राम आप, कृष्ण आप है, आप ही शिव के जाप। अज्ञान का जब अंधेरा हो तो सूरज भी है आप। राम आप, कृष्ण आप है, आप ही शिव के जाप। DAV से ही हम सब हैं, DAV के गुरु है महान। आप गुरुवर हैं मेरे भगवान। आप गुरुवर हैं मेरे भगवान। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। धन्यवाद।
सभी गुरुजनों को सत सत नमन। हमारे देश में 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाने की प्रथा आरंभ हुई थी, जिसका श्रेय जाता है भारत के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी को। वास्तव में 5 सितंबर को उनकी जन्म तिथि है। उन्होंने ही यह आग्रह किया था कि 5 सितंबर को उनका जन्मदिन न मनाकर पूरे देश में शिक्षक दिवस रूप में बनाया जाए। उन्होंने स्वयं अपने जीवन के 40 महत्वपूर्ण वर्ष शिक्षक के रूप में बिताए थे। कबीर जी ने सही ही कहा है, गुरु कुम्हार शीश कुंभ है, गढ़ी गढ़ी खाडे कोट, अंतर हाथ सहार दे बाहर मारी चोट। उपरोक्त चंद पंक्तियों के साथ अंत में अपने सभी शिक्षक एवं शिक्षिकाओं को धन्यवाद करते हुए यही कहूंगी, एक सहमे बच्चे को निडर बनाया आपने, एक छोटे से कतरे को समुंदर बनाया आपने, खुद में खोई रहती थी जो खुद को भी ना जाना जिसने, कई ऐसे बच्चे को अखबारी खबर बनाया आपने। धन्यवाद। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
I am Aditi Kumar from 4B. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. This Teachers Day I will show you a beautiful dance.
हो 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 आ हा समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया। प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है।
कक्षा छठी की छात्रा हूँ और मैं आज आप सभी के समक्ष शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर उपस्थित हूँ। वास्तव में यह दिन हम सभी विद्यार्थियों के लिए सबसे सम्मानपूर्ण अवसर होता है, जब हम हमारे शिक्षकों के द्वारा प्रदान किए गए ज्ञान के मार्ग के लिए उनका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। शिक्षकों को समाज की रीढ़ की हड्डी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि वह हमारे भविष्य को आकार देने में हमारी मदद करते हैं। साक्षर हमें बनाते हैं, जीवन क्या समझाते हैं। ऐसे महान व्यक्ति ही तो शिक्षक कहलाते हैं, शिक्षक कहलाते हैं। शिक्षक दिवस प्रतिवर्ष 5 सितंबर को मनाए जाने का मुख्य कारण यह है कि डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी ने यह इच्छा जताई थी कि उनके जन्मदिन को शिक्षक पेशे के सम्मान में समर्पित किया जाए। शिक्षक का कार्य पारस पत्थर से भी ऊंचा होता है। पारस तो सिर्फ लोहे को कंचन में बदलता है, पर शिक्षक अपने शिष्य को अपने समान महान बना लेता है। इसलिए मैं तहे दिल से अपने सभी शिक्षकों का कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करती हूँ और उनका आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
मैं मीरा सिंह आज मैं आपके सामने गुरु वंदना प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
Namaste everyone, I am Sachi Pandey of grade 6B. Today I am going to dance for my teachers.
मैं कस्तूरी कक्षा 5वीं बी की छात्रा। आज मैं शिक्षक दिवस पे 2 शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। हमारे पूर्व राष्ट्रपति सर्वपल्ली डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन के जन्म तिथि 5 सितंबर को हम शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। शिक्षक यानी गुरु का स्थान भगवान से भी ऊंचा माना गया है। जैसा कि कविवर रहीम ने कहा है, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। हमारे वेदों में भी लिखा हुआ है, गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all of you. I am Advika of class 6E. Today on the special occasion of Teachers Day, I want to express my gratitude and appreciate the hard work of our teachers. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers serve selflessly in building the character of the students. They give us knowledge, believe in us and help us in achieving our dream. Even in this critical situation, teachers teach us through online class. For the first time ever, school in India have been moved to online classroom. Teachers are the next level corona warriors fighting for the nation and shaping the future of tomorrow. I would like to thank all the teachers for their tireless effort to enlighten and shape our personality.
I am Kamya Pallavi from class 4A and I am here to say something about teachers. First of all, we see in our society that many people are doctors, many people are engineers, many people are police officers, many people are scientists, and many people are also DM and SP. Who prepare them able for these posts? Teachers. Teachers are only person that prepare them able for these posts. Anyone get a good job, then its credit goes to his her labor and his her teacher. So we should respect teachers and behave with them as like they are our parents. We should care that teachers are never hurted by us, and we should give a great respect to him.
Respected teachers and my lovely friend, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today we have gathered here in online mode to celebrate Teachers' Day. As we know, the Teachers' Day is celebrated in the memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second President of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became President of India in 1962.
Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. I am Piyush Verma from class 4C. I am going to deliver a short speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated all across India every year on 5th of September to pay tribute to the teacher for their precious contribution. There is a great reason behind the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th of September. In fact, 5th of September is the birthday of our former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and statesman who was highly devoted toward education. Thank you.
मेरा नाम आरोह खिल है। मैं कक्षा तीसरी बी में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा एडमिशन नंबर 9486 है। मैं शिक्षक दिवस पर गुरु वंदना प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर्देव परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
This is Ananya hai before you to present a vandana on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
Everybody, dear principals, esteemed and teacher and my dear friends, I am Rachit Prakash of class 2A. Today is Happy Teachers' Day. Teacher remove darkness and gives us light of wisdom. They built us as a complete human being. I respect them all and grateful to them. Forever Happy Teacher Day. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my friends. I am Kumari Palak from class 3A. I am here to say a speech on Teachers' Day. On this day, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He became president of India in 1962 on request of their students. Students celebrate this day to pay respect to their teachers. Teachers are like our God, our friends, and our guide. Teachers teach us good habits. Teachers guide in our class. So a big thank you to all my teachers. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Respected principal sir, teachers and all students. I am going to deliver a short speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day celebrate on 5th September.
आचार्य महोदय एवं शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अनुष्का पांडे है। मैं कक्षा तीसरी ए की छात्रा हूँ। मेरा एडमिशन नंबर 8963 है। मैं CSDAV पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज आप लोगों को शिक्षक दिवस के मौके पे एक गीत सुनाने जा रही हूँ। गुरु में संसार समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया, प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा, गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर हैं, इनसे ही जन्नत।
Principal sir, respected teacher, and all my dear friends. Myself, Ashish Kumar from class 6D. I am here to speak a speech on Teacher Day. India celebrates Teacher Day on 5th September, the birthday of second President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and favorite teacher of his.
Nika Srivastava. I read in class 3A and my admission number is 9003. So today I will give a speech on Teachers' Day. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. As we know that today we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. This day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India.
I am Akshita Misra from class 3A. I am here to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day. Every year 5 September, the birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. Friends, today is 5th of September and on this day we celebrate Teachers' Day every year with great joy and happiness. Actually, 5th of September is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an excellent teacher, first Vice President of India and second President of India. This day is celebrated across the country by the students to thank their teachers for incredible support and guidance. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of a person. Parents give birth to a child, while the teachers play a prominent role in making that child an ideal citizen by the way of education. Parents take the responsibility of love and care, while the teachers take responsibility of guiding and educating a child to become successful in his life.
My name is Tanvi. I am reading class 4A and I am here to perform a dance on Teachers' Day.
उधर नहीं दिखे तुम्हें।
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Ananthan from Channel 4C. Today I feel privileged to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. This year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, Teachers' Day is celebrated through virtual mode.
Teachers' Day is celebrated all across in India every year.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Srishti Rajak from class 4C and I am going to speak on Teachers' Day. So let us start my speech. Good morning to all of you, my dear teachers and my dear friends. I wish you happy
teachers and all my dear friends. Very good morning to all of you. My name is Aradhya from class 4A. Today I am going to give a short speech on Teachers' Day. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate a auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year since 1962 to honor Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. September 5th is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. On this special occasion, I would like to extend my gratitude to everyone.
Respected teacher and my dear friend, a very good morning to all of you. I am Advik of class 4 section D. Today on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I want to say something. Every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On this day, I wish to convey my best wishes and greeting to all my teachers.
शिक्षक मैं अनन्या अभय कक्षा 6ठी डी की छात्रा महान शिक्षाविद एवं स्वतंत्र भारत के द्वितीय राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन को नमन करते हुए आप सभी के चरणों में सादर प्रणाम करती हूँ। आज शिक्षक दिवस है, पर कोरोना महामारी ने इस दिन को भी वर्चुअली सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हमें विवश कर दिया है। मैं आज आप सभी को हृदय से धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेकर हमारे कीमती समय और पढ़ाई दोनों का नुकसान।
Good evening, teachers. My name is Abhyuday Parikh. Happy Teachers' Day. I thank you all for giving me knowledge and love. Teachers are like a candle. They burn and provide us light. Guru is like God. I am proud of all my teachers at DAV Motihari.
DAV Public School Motihari. So today I will dance on Teachers' Day.
Respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friend, my name is Palak Raja. I read in class 4. Wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teacher Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna respects Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president.
Respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very charming and pleasant good morning to you all. Myself Ananya Singh from class 5C and my admission number is 8672. Today I am going to light up about Teachers' Day. It is very hard to tell the quality of the teacher. If we make an ocean as an ink pot, then we cannot write their greatness. Teachers are the guide of the student. They can help us to know the world better. We cannot repay his/her help.
I am thankful to all the teachers for their valid contribution in my life. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Teachers Day.
My name is Aryan. I am standing in class 6B and I am going to deliver a speech on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated 5th September every year. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was a great teacher. A teacher is a friend and guide of our life. Teacher takes their best.
The student of class 1, and at first I wish you all happy Teachers Day. Today we celebrate Teachers Day on the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers are our well-wisher. They teach us reading, writing and many more things. We should give
teachers and my dear friends, good morning. My name is Tanya from here standing class 4B. I am going to deliver on speech in Teacher Day. Teacher Day are celebrated on 5th September every year. It is a special day of teachers and children. In India, Teacher Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher. He was also second president of India. Thank you and happy Teacher Day to
My name is Kaiser Musa. I read in class 3. My school is St. Public School. I am speech for Teachers Day. Good morning to all respected teacher, principal and my dear friends. I wish you to all a very happy Teachers Day. This day for what is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who are a second president.
Principals and respected teachers, all my dear friends. Myself Lakshman from class 4. Today I deliver a speech. We are here to today celebrate the honorable occasion of Teachers Day. This day gives us the opportunity to celebrate or express gather our teachers. September 5th commemorates the birth anniversary of our former president of Radhakrishnan, who was not only a political figure but a sense of the true self.
परम सम्मानीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, आदरणीय शिक्षक और मेरे प्रिय दोस्तों, आप सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। मैं जिया छठी की छात्र हूँ। मैं आप सभी के सामने शिक्षक दिवस पर कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हमारे माता पिता हमें जन्म देते हैं। शिक्षक हमें सही और गलत का फर्क बताकर हमारे चरित्र का निर्माण करते हैं। शिक्षक सही मार्गदर्शन के साथ हमारे भविष्य को उजाला बनाते हैं। इसलिए कहा जाता है कि शिक्षकों का स्थान हमारे माता पिता से भी ऊपर होता है। शिक्षा के बिना हम अपने जीवन की कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। जिस प्रकार हमारे शरीर को भोजन की आवश्यकता होती है, उसी प्रकार हमें हमारे जीवन में आगे बढ़ने और ऊंचाइयों को हासिल करने के लिए शिक्षा की जरूरत होती है।
Respected Principal Sir, good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. Myself Anushka Pandey from class 3. My admission number is 8963. I am going to deliver the speech on Teachers Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark and the hope that give us strength to survive is our teacher. Celebrating Teachers Day at school is one of the finest memories from the school days. With no doubt, we can say everyone will agree with it. Beginning to prepare to surprise our teachers.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am Sanjana Kumari of class 6 section D to deliver a speech on the Teachers Day. We all have gathered here today to celebrate Teachers Day. Today is a special day for all of us where we can pay hearty tribute to our dear teachers who take untiring efforts to build our future. Teachers Day is celebrated as the 5th September every year. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. He was also a great teacher. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
For today I am going to deliver a speech on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. 5th September is the birth of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. He was also a great scholar and a teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Teachers Day.
Myself Tanisha Verma, representing class 6B. I am here to deliver a short speech on Teachers Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September every year. There is a great reason behind the celebration of Teachers Day. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was himself a famous teacher and the second president of India. He was a good philosopher, good educator and a famous author. His life is an inspiration for all of us. The first Teacher Day was celebrated in India in 1962 in September 5. It is said that celebrate teacher.
गुरु में संसार समाया, गुरु का है आशीष पाया, प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर, इनसे ही जन्नत है।
A teacher is a wonderful creature having an amazing ability to teach us. A teacher is a person who teaches us in order to make our future bright and full of happiness.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shanvi Singh from class 3A. I am going to speak on Teachers Day. First Teachers Day was celebrated in India in 1962. This day is celebrated to present the graduate to all the teachers by the students. Thank you. Have a nice day.
नमस्ते, मैं आराध्या सौम्या कक्षा चौथी सी की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस के बारे में कुछ 2 शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सब समझाते हैं आप। झूठ क्या है और सच क्या, ये बताते हैं आप। जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी, राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप। जीवन के अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप। बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप। धन्यवाद। मेरी तरफ से आप सभी शिक्षक को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Hello, I am Nandini Kumari from 6th. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. This Teachers Day I will show you a beautiful dance. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Happy Teachers Day, respected principal sir, respected teacher, and my dear friends. Thank you. Have a nice.
If you want to write lection, firstly sign lection. Good morning, dear teachers and respective principals sir. Myself Shubh Priyansh from class 6C. Today I am going to give a speech on a Teachers Day. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September every year. In India,
ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवा महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. I am Ananya Raj. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. On this day in 1888, a great scholar and India's second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, was born on this day. On this several day, cultural programs and functions are organized in schools, college and all the institutions and education.
My name is Mohit. I am in class 6B. शिक्षक दिवस भारत में शिक्षक दिवस प्रतिवर्ष 5 सितंबर को मनाया जाता है। इस दिनांक को भारत के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्मदिन होता है।
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, मेरे सभी समाज शिक्षक और मेरे प्रिय दोस्तों, सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम जिया जैस्मीन, मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्र हूँ। आज इस अवसर पर अपने विचार रखना मेरे लिए वास्तव में गर्व की बात है। भारत में हर साल 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। भारत में 1962 से शिक्षक दिवस मनाया।
Going to speak on the Teachers Day. We celebrate 5th September as Teachers Day.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma,
principals and my friends. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor a gifted soul who works every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to our teachers. Every year on 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day.